up, YouTube? Welcome back to another random video. Today we will be showing you our stuff that we got, and you have to click the bell and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so I got some stuff and I want to show you some of my stuff with my brother. Okay, here, my first one, a unicorn fingerling. There is some more, but I couldn't get them. Here, I'll show you up closely. And here's the back.
Can I look?
Yeah, look.
Aww.
Yeah.
Can I sew some?
Okay.
Can I sew some?
Okay. My second one is a cute little puppy in a sweater. And it's so cute because it looks so adorable with his eyes. He's my favorite puppy. Snoopy. Okay, my next one is going to be this one. My glasses. Green for, I forget what it's
It's a glasses, guys.
Yeah. Alright, and those.
Who likes the glasses?
Okay. And my brother wanted to give this to me because he didn't want it. It's a, what is this called? I don't
A squishy.
Yeah, but like this real food.
The turnip?
Turnip, yeah. Okay.
I'm going to do that.
I just showed you. And if you were wondering, I actually got an LOL baby. Alright?
It's a real one.
Yeah. And my last thing, I think, yep, is this. Slimy. Okay, it says Orb Slimy Dinosaur.
It's a slimy dinosaur.
Dinos, I mean, no dinosaurs. Alright. Okay, now I will be opening up these. And I'm so excited to open up the Fingerling unicorn. Can you move it out of the way, bud? Okay.
Can I see?
Woo! Oh, whoa, it has rainbow in the center. Oh my gosh.
It's stuck. It's really stuck.
Oh my gosh. Dad, do you have any scissors?
Daddy!
I don't.
But we'll try opening that.
Can I try?
Alright, we're just gonna wait.
Let's
Come on. Okay, there we go. The unicorn fingerling. This is my first time having a unicorn fingerling. But I have some other fingerling monkeys that I got from Christmas. Whoa! It sounds so pretty. I love it. That's so pretty. Guys, you have to see. Well, this is so pretty. So I'll just...
I don't want you to turn me off.
And the little puppy is so cute. Slimy. Okay.
Is it hard?
Kind of. Okay. Oh my god. So hard.
Take it off.
I can't.
Take it off.
Alright, there we go.
Now,
Okay, well, I would rather, like, open it somewhere different so it doesn't just, like, pop out. Oh, it actually has black dots in there. You know what? Can you help me open this? So hard. Ow. Okay. Whoa.
that's
Wait, no. Okay, we would rather put it on. If you... That's amazing. That's my favorite color. some slime open them. Alright. These. So cute. I love it. And I got these little glasses. That is so cute. And this is going to be my last one, a little surprise. Okay. Whoa.
What's up?
Hey, what's up? I am moving away. Okay. Wait, move out of the way. I just want to show you guys the layers. How many layers are on here? 5 layers of these.
Yeah, I'm allowed to cry baby. You have to put it in water.
Yeah, to see color change. What's the secret message? Okay, the secret message says diamonds are a girl BFF.
Oh, a little bit cry babies.
Okay, wait, guys. It shows at the bottom. It says diamonds are a girl's BFF because they're so shiny. Okay, my next layer. I can kind of see through there. Yeah, this is like. Are you sure this is an? Is this an LQL? No, but why does it have a pet on here? What the heck? Wow, this is messed up. This is a baby LOL surprise, not a pet. Look, there's a pet on here. What the heck? This is supposed to be an LOL baby, not an LOL pet.
Let me see.
That's weird. Look, that's an LOL pet. Whoa, that's weird.
Why is there a little pet? There has to be this LOLs.
It's an LOL baby, but it isn't
a pet.
Yeah. This is getting quite weird. Oh, I got a hot pink one.
Open up it.
Oh, it's a color changer. Okay.
Let me see. Oh, it is, guys. Look at it. Ah.
Wow, here's all my stuff.
Hey, Daddy put that in the garbage.
No, you have the... Oh, never mind. You actually have to keep it out. No, you don't have to keep it. But it will just tell you.
Was that garbage?
Holy! I always wanted her. Here's a little
baby.
Go show the fans who love LOLs and just show them.
Look at the baby's locked. The LOL.
Okay, I want to know her name. Here. Okay, I just want to find hers.
Oh, the baby.
Where did it go? Here, give me it. Here, give me that.
LOL baby.
Alright, here, this is so hard to open.
Here's this.
Okay.
Guys, you know what? This is kind of for the LOL. The baby to sleep. The LOL, the baby can sleep in here.
Alright, I don't see her. Here's her big sister. That one.
The big sister.
What the heck? I don't even see her on here. What the heck? Oh, there she is. She's Little Miss Punk. Oh. I want to see what her accessories are.
Where's the ball? Look it. Here's the ball that you have to squish it because it opens up, guys. Because it opens up like that. And then you have to squish
She
it.
has a crown.
And then if you want to open up this is where the baby can sleep in here. That's the
Dad, do you think this will come with the crown on this baby? Let me look again. She's not wearing it. Usually,
Let's see.
she's right there. I feel like. Hey! Wait a second. Remember that little pet on the ball? That showed the pet that would go with the crown. I feel like, but in a different color, the red color. But
It doesn't come with the pet because they need the pet for the crown.
that's weird.
I'll show you this, guys.
I feel like it would
But
just.
don't throw it in the garbage.
I feel like it would just go with that.
Hey, I was going to show it to you. Look at it. Ooh.
It is. Okay, yeah. Yeah, she has some cute little boots, hiking boots. Guys, you have to see this. Oh, she's like the queen of the mountain. So guys, I'll show you her in a closer way. I'm gonna get up. Alright. So this is her with her. Like, oh, her boots come off. Okay, but little shoes.
Okay.
And her little crown. And little baby. I like because she has my favorite purple color. And she has, is this teal?
I don't know.
Okay.
Same color as your shirt.
Oh, yeah. Her eyes.
Is that it, guys?
Yep. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's a bit again.
So, what do we say now?
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye for watching our random video.
Give it a big thumbs up.
Make sure you like and subscribe for more random videos.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you real soon.
Yeah.
Dab out, everybody.
Dip, 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 dip. Ooh. Go. When a wicked